In this video, I will be showing you how to separate photo from group photo in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva home screen. I move my cursor to the top left corner and click on the Create a Design button. From the menu options under Frequently Used, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the design editor loads, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. I scroll down through my uploaded images to find the photo containing the subjects and elements I want to separate. When I find the image, I click on it to add it onto the canvas. Next, I collapse the side panel to give myself a clear view of the workspace. With the photo selected on the canvas, I go up to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. This opens up the Editing Tools panel on the left side of the screen. From the Tools list, I select Magic Layers. Canva will automatically analyze the image, detect the individual subjects, text, and background, and separate them into distinct layers. Once the processing is complete and the layers are generated, I click Close on the top notification banner. Now, all the elements within the photo are separated into individual, editable pieces. I click on the canvas to deselect the entire group so I can work with each piece on its own. First, I click on the main person in the photo and drag her over to the right side of the canvas, completely isolating her from the background. Next, I select the large text layer and move it up toward the top left. Then, I click on the smaller text and the wooden sign element, dragging them down to reposition them. Finally, I click on the background layer and shift it into the center. Every subject and layer is now completely separated and ready to be customized individually. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to separate photo from group photo in Canva.